Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into Shopify webhooks. Webhooks are a powerful way to keep your store data in sync with external system in real time. By the end of this video, you will learn how to set up, manage and use webhooks in your Shopify store. What are the webhooks? Webhooks are HTTP callbacks that notify your application when specific events happen in your Shopify store. For example, you can receive notification when a new order is placed, a product is updated, or a customer is created. Why use webhooks? To get instant updates without needing to pull Shopify's API, save API calls limit and reduce latency, helps automate workflow by triggering actions based on events. Setting up a webhook in Shopify admin, go to your Shopify admin and navigate to the settings and then click on the notifications and then click on the webhooks and then click on create a webhook, and from here you can select the event. I will select order creation. Whenever I receive the order, I will be notified to this URL. This is my URL where I will be notified whenever I receive the order, and from here I can select the API version. So you cannot receive notification on your local host machine. You must have an HTTPS host server where you can receive these notification. So I am using Ngrok, which convert my local host path to this URL. So whenever I receive any notification on this URL, this will convert to my local host. So I can listen to my local host. So I hit save. Okay, now let's see how we can handle the webhook data. Once your webhook is set up, you need to create a new application in Node.js. I have created the application and I have installed the Express. So now I need to create a new file. Let's say app.js, and I will type const express is equal to require express, and then const body parser is equal to require body parser, and next we need to have a variable const app is equal to express function, and we need a port. Const port is equal to 3000, and then app.use body parser .json function. So it will convert our body into JSON. Then we will listen app.listen, and we will pass port here. And in the callback function, we will have console.log, server is running at port and we will pass port here. And it should be capital. So we need to have a path where we can listen the webhook. So I will say that should be post path app.post, and in our case that will be webhook orders slash create. So we will receive the post request over here, then request and response, and here we will have the order const order data is equal to request dot body, and we will console.log order data received, and we will pass order data here. Also we will send this res.status 200.send, and we will pass the message here webhook received. And make sure you have installed these two modules, npm install express and body parser. Now run this app node mon app.js, and our server is running and listening. So let's try to send a notification over here. Okay, this is our webhook order creation, and send test over here and go back here, and you see we have received the orders data over here, and this is the test order, and we received that data, and now we can do whatever we want with this specific order. We can tag this order, we can post this order to somewhere else. So that's it. You know how to set up and handle the Shopify webhooks. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.